Hi! Welcome to VANMAS day number 2. So today, as you can see in the title, we'll be doing some sweet holiday recipes. We have some pancake, oats, and French toast. So let's just jump into the recipes. Cheers! This is it for this video today. I hope you liked the recipes. Let me know if you tried any. Leave a comment down below. I think my favorite one would be the French toast. I love the eggnog taste and it's so easy to make. I also like the gingerbread pancakes. I just think they require too many ingredients, which we don't usually have in the van. But I still have some left from this recipe today, so I'll probably make them at least once more before Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!